Hippos are known for their large size, aggressive nature, and being one of the deadliest animals in Africa. But did you know that there's more to these magnificent creatures than meets the eye? There are only two types of hippos in the world, the pygmy hippo and the common hippo. Both are found in Africa. Pygmy hippos can be found in Western Africa, primarily in Liberia. The common hippo is found in sub-Saharan Africa. Side note, there is one group of wild hippos that can be found outside of Africa, and those are found in Colombia. Why are there wild hippos outside of Africa, you ask? Well, this is because Pablo Escobar bought 4 hippos from a zoo in California in the early 1980s. After his death in 1993, they escaped his estate into the wilds of Colombia, while everyone was trying to figure out what to do with them. It is estimated that since their escape in 1993 that their population has flourished, growing from a mere 4, 3 females and 1 male, to 60. Unfortunately, they are an invasive species to Colombia with no natural predators, which has had a devastating effect on the ecosystem. Here are 15 more fascinating facts about hippos that most people don't know. Fact number 1. Hippos have the largest mouth of any land animal, with teeth that can grow up to 20 inches long. Their front teeth and tusks continually grow throughout their lives. They eat up to 50 pounds of food a day. Fact number 2. Once believed to be herbivores, it is now known that hippos are actually omnivores, with a diet that consists mainly of vegetation, and they can spend up to 6 hours a day grazing on grass. Fact number 3. Hippos are semi-aquatic and spend most of their days submerged in water. Due to their massive size, the weight of a hippo's body will actually crush their internal organs if they spend too much time on land. The water helps to cool and protect their sensitive skin as well. Fact number 4. When hippos yawn, it's not because they're tired. It's a display of aggression meant to intimidate potential rivals or predators. They will also take a defensive stance and attack anything they perceive as a threat. Fact number 5. Baby hippos can nurse underwater, while holding their breath for up to 5 minutes. Not all baby hippos nurse, though. Some actually refuse their mother's milk and begin eating vegetation right away. Their stomachs have a very strong acid that is made specially for their diet, so this doesn't harm the babies at all. Fact number 6. Hippos have an acute sense of smell and can detect scents up to 1.5 miles away. They use this to help them locate fruit that has fallen to the ground or in the water. Fact number 7. Hippos are territorial and will fiercely defend their territory against intruders, even if it means fighting to the death. It doesn't generally matter what the intruder is. Human, zebra, a lion, hippos see them all as a threat to their territory. Fact number 8. Hippos have webbed feet that help them navigate through water and walk on muddy terrain. Hippos don't swim either. They walk or kind of hop along the bottom of the waterway that they are in. But don't get it twisted. Hippos can move much faster underwater than humans can on land. They have been described as torpedoes when attacking a threat. Fact number 9. Hippos have tough skin that is nearly impenetrable. Their skin is so tough that it has been known to stop smaller caliber bullets. But even as tough as their skin is, just like the rest of us, it's vulnerable to the sun. Maybe even more so than the rest of us. To combat this, hippos secrete a natural sunscreen that protects them from the sun's harmful rays. It also has antibacterial properties to help them ward off infection. FYI, it makes them look like they're sweating blood. Ooh, fun. Fact number 10. Hippos' nostrils and eyes are both located on the top of their heads. That way the rest of their body can remain underwater. Their ears and nostrils are able to seal shut to prevent water from entering while they're submerged to protect themselves from drowning. Fact number 11. Even though hippos breathe air, they can sleep underwater because their brain has developed a nifty trick that notifies their bodies subconsciously to go up for air about every 5 minutes or so, helping to ensure that they don't drown. Fact number 12. A hippo's tail acts like a rudder, helping them change direction while in the water. Hippos also use their tail by constantly swishing it around when they poo, spraying their dung like a sprinkler. They do this to mark their territory. This spreads their smell all around, letting other hippos know that this is their spot and to keep out. Fact number 13. Hippos can't bend their spine. Their vertebrae are fused so their spine is unable to bend. If they did try to bend their spine, it would cause them a severe amount of damage and could even kill them. So jumping on the bed is out of the question. Fact number 14. Hippos can exert a bite force of up to 2,000 pounds per square inch, making them one of the strongest animals in the animal kingdom.
That's stronger than a lion's bite force. Maybe they should have been named the king of the jungle. Fact number 15. A hippo's closest living relative is whales, dolphins, and porpoises. The current ideology behind this is that they shared an ancestor that lived about 60 million years ago. At about 54 million years ago, their family tree split into two branches, one remaining 100% aquatic, becoming whales, dolphins, etc. The other became semi-aquatic and turned into hippos. So there you have it, folks. 15 fascinating facts about hippos, or as the Greeks call them, water horses, that most people don't know. Despite their fearsome reputation, hippos are truly amazing creatures that deserve our respect and admiration. And watch out for the poo.